Mastering shareholder value creation. Outsourced processes imperil operational excellence. When its business processes are outsourced to third-party vendors, how does the organization ensure that its operational excellence is maintained and consistently achieved through these external relationships? Maintaining operational excellence when outsourcing business processes to third-party vendors requires a structured approach to ensure that the organization's expectations are clearly defined, communicated, and consistently achieved through these external relationships. Here are some key strategies to achieve operational excellence through outsourced relationships. 1. Clearly define requirements and expectations. The organization must clearly outline its operational excellence expectations, key performance indicators, KPIs, and service level agreements, SLAs, in the outsourcing contract. This includes defining metrics for quality, cost, delivery, and innovation, as well as the consequences of non-compliance. 2. Select the right partners. The organization should carefully select vendors that share its values, have a similar operating culture, and demonstrate a commitment to operational excellence. This includes assessing vendors' existing processes, systems, and performance metrics to ensure alignment with the organization's requirements. 3. Establish a governance structure. A robust governance structure should be put in place to oversee the outsourced relationships, including regular review meetings, performance monitoring, and issue escalation procedures. This governance structure should ensure that vendor performance is regularly evaluated against KPIs and SLAs. 4. Implement a continuous improvement program. The organization should collaborate with vendors to implement a continuous improvement program that encourages innovation, shares best practices, and drives operational excellence. This program should include joint workshops, benchmarking, and lesson-sharing activities. 5. Conduct regular assessments and audits. Regular assessments and audits should be conducted to ensure that vendors are complying with the organization's operational excellence requirements. This includes evaluating vendors' processes, systems, and performance metrics to identify areas for improvement. 6. Develop a vendor development program. The organization should develop a vendor development program that provides training, coaching, and mentoring to vendors on operational excellence best practices, industry trends, and new technologies. This program should also include joint project initiatives to drive innovation and improve performance. 7. Foster open communication and collaboration. Open communication and collaboration are essential to ensure that operational excellence is maintained through outsourced relationships. The organization should establish a culture of transparency, trust, and mutual respect with vendors, encouraging the sharing of ideas, concerns, and best practices. 8. Establish a performance dashboard. A performance dashboard should be developed to track and monitor vendors' performance in real time, providing visibility into KPIs, SLAs, and other performance metrics. This dashboard should enable the organization to identify areas for improvement and take corrective action. 9. Incentivize operational excellence. The organization should incentivize vendors to achieve operational excellence by linking payment terms to performance metrics, offering bonuses for outstanding performance, and recognizing and rewarding vendors that demonstrate excellence. 10. Embed operational excellence into the contract. The organization should ensure that operational excellence expectations, KPIs, and SLAs are embedded into the contract, with clear consequences for non-compliance. The contract should also outline the process for resolving disputes and addressing performance issues. 11. Monitor and manage risk. The organization should identify and mitigate risks associated with outsourcing, such as intellectual property breaches, data security threats, and business continuity disruptions. A risk management framework should be established to monitor and manage these risks. 12. Ensure cultural alignment. The organization should ensure that vendors' cultures align with its own, with a shared commitment to operational excellence, customer satisfaction, and innovation. This includes assessing vendors' values, beliefs, and behaviors to ensure alignment with the organization's expectations. By implementing these strategies, the organization can ensure that operational excellence is maintained and consistently achieved through its outsourced relationships, driving business value, customer satisfaction, and competitive advantage.